from the New York Stock Exchange. My name is Kiana Danial. They call me Invest Diva, and this is your Q&A Friday. I'm in disguise today to celebrate Purim, which comes from my home country, Iran, by the way. Therefore, I'm wearing this mask. Happy Purim, everyone. And today's question comes from Melissa, and Melissa writes, in order for me to read this question, let's take this thing off. Hi Kiana, after graduating Invest Diva's education program, I recently started trading. I have been doing well with your tips and I appreciate your kind-hearted ways. I have a couple of beginner questions. How much exactly do you loosen up for the market close and open jump during the weekends? At the next FIBO level? Well, that is a great question, Melissa. I usually loosen up to the next support or resistance level depending on the indicators I've been initially using for my technical analysis. It could be the next Fibonacci levels, Ichimoku levels, or simply even the levels that have shown strength in the past. Next question. How do you know what currency pairs to look into and start the diamond analysis? What's the first clue? Do you start with the fundamental banking reports or technicals first? Great question again, Melissa. There are two different ways I select the currency pair I want to trade. First method is watching out on the economic calendar for the coming days. I usually keep an eye on a currency whose country is about to have an important announcement, and if I find enough technical and sentiment evidence that there is going to be an upward or downward trend, I'll complete the diamond analysis and enter a trade. Another method is to first take a look at the Forex stance for the chart. Sometimes you can find a trend or momentum that you just can't miss, or just add an Ichimoku, you get a gut feeling that there's something worth analyzing. Then I back it up with the fundamentals and more thorough technical and sentiment analysis. Thank you, Melissa, for submitting your question. And if you have a burning question you need to have answered by me, come on over to Invest Diva's community or Facebook or Twitter and ask away. Question comes from Melissa, and Melissa writes, Steven Hatzakis is calling.